Hello, welcome to Mainichi Nihongo. In this video, you will learn the Japanese vocabulary list of adverbs for JLPT N4. List of adverbs Part 1. 1. Look, yeah, etc. 2.
あんな
Such, like that. 3.
以下
Less than below. 4.
以外
With the exception of. 5.
いくらでも
However much one may. 6.
以上
More than, this is all. 7.
一度
Once. 8.
いっぱい
Full, to the utmost. 9.
あちやそこ
Over there, formal and informal. 10.
いかが
How, in what way polite. 11.
一番
Best, first, number 1. 12.
いつも
Always, every time, usually. 13.
いろいろ
Various. 14.
一緒
Together. 15.
同じ
Same, identical, similar. 16.
さあ
Come now, well. 17.
しかし
However, but. 18.
つつ
At a time, each, a piece, piecemeal. 19.
それでは
In that situation, well then. 20.
ちょうど
Exactly, right now, on the dot. 21.
中
During, while. 22.
では
Then, well, so, well then, with that. 23.
時々
Sometimes. 24.
どなた
Who. 25.
どの
Which. 26.
大変
Very, also meaning serious, difficult. 27.
どれ
Which. 28.
なぜ
Why. 29.
まだ
Still, yet, besides. 30.
向こう
Beyond, over there. 31.
ゆっくりと
Slowly, at ease. 32.
こんな
Such, like this. 33.
10
During, while all over. 34.
一生懸命
With utmost effort. 35.
起き
After every. 36.
きっと
Surely, definitely. 37.
決して
Never. 38.
けれどけれども
But, however. 39.
こう
Like this, this way. 40.
この間
The other day, recently. 41.
この頃
These days, nowadays. 42.
これから
After this. 43.
今度
Now, next time. 44.
今夜
This evening, tonight. 45.
最近
Latest, recently, nowadays. 46.
最初
Beginning, first. 47.
説明
Excuse me. 48.
しばらく
Little while. 49.
十分、
enough, sufficient. 50.
水分、
extremely. 51.
すっかり、
all, completely, thoroughly. 52.
ずっと、
straight, quickly, all of a sudden. 53.
すると、
and then. 54.
せい、
made in. 55.
少し、
small quantity, a little. 56.
ぜひ、
certainly, without fail. 57.
全然、
not at all, with negative verb. 58.
そう、
so, really. 59.
それほど、
to that degree, extent. 60.
そろそろ、
gradually, steadily, soon. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do support my channel by subscribing.